Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. So yeah, this happened last trip. Broke the tip off the trekking pole. And of course, went on YouTube, tried to see how would be the easiest way to fix it, and figured why not, let's do it. Or basically the only method that I really seen was get some channel locks and you're gonna hit it and pop them off. Trust me, I tried and tried and tried. Didn't work. So eventually what I ended up doing is I just got my knife and cut it right off. But before I did that, went onto Amazon and ordered a new pair. Same thing with the one that wasn't broken. Couldn't pop it off. So got them off now. What I'm gonna do is just clean them off and pop the new ones on. All right, so just gotta wipe real quick. Just gonna give them a nice little cleaning just to make sure the new ones slide on a little easier. And I made sure to check them, made sure the lengths were still the same. Nothing cracked or broke or anything, so they're good. And there's other videos that show to, hammer them on and stuff. But the easiest way I seen was just tap them in. Yep, that ain't coming off. Do the same to this one. And there it is. Just like new. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.